people are using this method to get monetized on YouTube. I know so many creators in my niche, in other niches, that are using this method to get monetized on YouTube. It's not a bad thing. It is legal and it is safe and secured. You can get monetized using this, but you need to do it the right way. Now, getting your watch hour is now very easy. Once you are ready, subscribe to this channel and save this video for later, because you are going to need it for later. Once you have gotten to 8 months, 9 months and 10th month on YouTube, remember that you have just 2 months left to be able to monetize and make money on YouTube. Remember that you need 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers to be able to get monetized on YouTube and earn on YouTube. You need to follow. That is why when you are watching a video, watch it to the ending. Follow each step carefully and gradually, and listen to the video very carefully. Now, this is an updated video on my other video that I made 2 months ago on how to go live, silent live, on how to use a silent live. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you are going to go silent live, how you can do silent live streaming without any copyright issue, without any issues. You are just going to click on live and you are going to get watch hour doing that. Yes, you are going to do that, and you are going to be using your green screen. Now, I saw a comment, I saw this comment, and the person is like confused on where the green screen app is and all that. Now, this is a detailed video on how you are going to see your green screen app and how you are going to export your video and put it, and then use your green screen app to be able to get your 4,000 watch hour. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. Once you're ready and you have grown your channel to an extent, then you can hop on this trend, hop on getting your 4,000 watch hour. It's not that really that hard anymore. Just try and watch videos, watch a lot of videos, and you're going to see that it's very easy. Keep showing up on YouTube, keep putting quality content, and you're going to make money on YouTube, guys. So don't worry, don't mind whatever anybody is saying. Just do whatever I have said in this video. I am going to get your 4,000 watch hour easily. I'm just 4 months into YouTube, so I'm not really in a hurry to get monetized. I'm still processing everything. I'm still trying to grow organically. I'm still trying to get to the point where I know that, okay, I'm going to be using all this thing, but I have done it in my other channel and it worked really drastically. I got over 600 watch hour. So it depends on you. You can decide to do it week to week or month by month. Yes, if you're not in a hurry, if you have a lot of time in your hands, you can do it month by month. Each month you can go live and then accumulate watch hour, go live and accumulate watch hour. But if you're in a hurry and you're almost getting to your threshold and you're almost getting to 365, in a hurry, you can do it week by week, and you see that 4,000 watch hour is going to just come in as sweet as possible, and it's going to be even sweeter if you already have watch hour before. Maybe you have gotten to 2,000 watch hour and you need to speed things up, then you can hop on this and do it. It's nothing hard. It's very easy. Now let's dive into this video. So you're going to go to your YouTube app here. It's very easy. So once you get to your app, you see this plus sign here, so you click on the plus sign. Then it will take you to, maybe you want to upload video, you want to upload shorts, you want to go live. So it's going to like load a bit. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to go to this pencil icon and edit your live. So you will now click whatever you want to write here. You can decide to edit this if you want. You can decide to edit it to whatever topic you want. Now, as you can see, the visibility is unlisted, so you need to put it in public so that immediately you go live, it will immediately just like, go live. So if this is on, your audience is on made for kids, you need to take it to no, not made for kids. Then you go back. So this is how it's going to work. So maybe you are going live with somebody, or I don't know, if you are going live with somebody, then you click this icon. So but you're not going live with somebody, so you can go back, so you can see the feature ahead. So we are seeing the feature now. So this is how to grow your YouTube. You just put any description you like. You can decide not to even put description. No wahala. You can schedule this live for later. Then you put your schedule time and all that. That's when maybe when your phone battery or when you allow chat. It's already automatically turned on. Then allow reaction. So if the video contains any paid promotion or anything, you can click it on, but it's not always really the case. So when you are done, then just know that when you click on this live, you are going live instantly. You can decide to use a thumbnail for this. You can decide to use a thumbnail. See, I want to just use this as an example. You can decide to do that. Even using a thumbnail makes it even more posh. It gives it more life. So let's go live now. So you just remove your it's going to count down. Remove your face from the camera. This is for those that don't want to put their face. So immediately you are live. You can now, do you see the moderation? So you close it. So you can now off your microphone and off your camera. Here you can see. So you cannot access the green screen when you have off your camera. You can't access the green screen, so you need to on your camera. Then you go to this arrow down here. You can see an arrow down here. See, now live on your channel. YouTube already sent me notification. So you can see that arrow down here has brought out this contact that look like this thing. This is the first setting, second setting, third setting, fourth setting, fifth setting, the sixth setting. This one right here is what you will click for your green screen. So you can choose the picture you want to use for your green screen. This is just a random picture on my phone, so I just want to use this one on my green screen. So this is what you can use on your green screen. And when you are done, then you remove your face. You see people start joining the live. You just click done sharp. Then that is how you do the silent live. You have to unmute. You have to mute this microphone. I don't know, maybe you can hear me if I mute it, but you have to just mute this microphone. Do you see? It's telling me to on my flashlight. Okay, not going to on flashlight. So this is it. This is your seat. Then you can start a poll. You can start writing something in it. Start a Q&A. Ask question, because it's a live streaming. You can decide to put any other thing in your green screen. There's this picture I have about grass and all. You can put any interesting thing. I don't know. Just put something interesting there and then leave it to go live. It's trying to load the green screen. So you can change it so it has loaded. This is just a picture I saw on Facebook. You can decide to use this. So once you are done, then you can share your live. That's this arrow here. You can use to share your live. My network is bad. So the other method I'm going to be using, I'm going to be posting it on my channel maybe like on Sunday. So I'm posting that method. There's another video I've done already. That's one. You can add video. That one you can use video and loop the video. Then you can create a post about this live on your thing. It will tell your audience that you are live. Tell them to join your live, blah 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 blah. Then you post it. I'm not going live yet. There's a time I want to get to before I go live. So this is I think I'm off the live. Oh, wait, let me check. I think I've gone off the live. I've turned off the live. So this is just what you do. You can see that no view. So I've when you click out like that, I've gone off the live already. So I've gone off the live already. So this, I'm going to be deleting this live because I was not doing anything significant there. But it's better you use a thumbnail for your live. It's very good to use a thumbnail for your live video. So just do that. Use a thumbnail so it will look nice, and make sure that you watch the next video that I'm going to be doing on using a restream for your live. So watch the next video.